Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the command palette and jumping straight into settings so you can act now. Once the palette is open, type Preferences, Open Settings, JSON, to edit raw values. This is faster and precise versus the GUI. Make sure you choose User or Workspace scope intentionally because Workspace will override later. Also export or copy your current settings, JSON, so you can revert. This prevents accidental permanent changes while you change Intellisense behavior. Now edit settings, JSON to disable suggestion systems that power Intellisense. Set editor, quick suggestions to false and editor. Suggest on trigger characters to false to stop automatic pop-ups. This prevents inline completions. Then turn off editor. Parameter hints. Enabled so function parameter tooltips stop appearing. If you see language-specific suggestions, add overrides like JavaScript. Suggest, enabled equals false or TypeScript. Suggest, enabled equals false. Once done, save settings. JSON, these changes cut off. To finalize, reload the window so VS Code reads the updated settings. If suggestions still appear, a language server or extension may be injecting completions. Disable that extension or adjust its settings because extensions override core settings. Make sure to test in a new file and in your workspace scope to confirm effects. If problems persist, restore your backup settings. JSON. Then change one preference at a time to identify the culprit. This targeted troubleshooting isolates the exact source of persistent Intellisense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.